I'm just going to get a bigger screwdriver. So it's stamped there. I expected it to fit in that way, you know what I mean, so you can read it and fit it in. But
yeah.
it's not like they've stamped it upside down. Oh well.
Look, men do read instructions.
Yeah. There's four connections. We only need 2 and an earth, but with this socket there's 4. So we don't know which wire goes to where, because we're only working with 3 wires and there should be 5. There you go.
How do we fix this together? We've only got these instructions. So we don't quite understand what's going on.